Binabati po ng maligayang bati ang aming pamangkin. Basta ngayon ay nag-birthday si ilang taon.
Wala, huwag na sabihin nyo. Ay, message mo daw sa akin na.
Maraming salamat at sa pinapagbayan ng Panginoon sa magandang kapalaran.
Sige po.
Ayan, happy anniversary. Sana iniling ko sa Panginoong Diyos na sana ay umunlad ka pa ng matagal para magsama-sama pa tayong lahat. Happy birthday, happy anniversary.
Nay,
Sana'y manawari mapa pa yung buhay dahil ikaw ang lahat ay masinso sa pwesto mo ngayon. At sana'y lahat ng mga anak mo ay bigyan din ng habang buhay. Salamat. Happy birthday.
hindi, siyempre, pinapasalamatan ko lahat. Siyempre, yung mga kamag-anak ko, nandito ngayon. Chika yan. Lahat ng mga kamag-anak ko nandito ngayon, kaibigan, siyempre, kliyente, lahat. Lahat na to, siyempre, hindi namin kung tagbumpayan kung wala kayo lahat. Salamat sa lahat ng kami. And siyempre, nag-pray kami na sana abutin pa namin yung 15 years sa business. Yun. Thank you.
Sa lahat ng sumuporta. Sana! More power! Malaki pa yung business.
It's been 8 years now since the day we opened this business. A lot of changes happened, but one thing did not change. We're still the same persons and the same old faces who has been here 8 years ago. We owe a lot from our clients and we would like to thank them for their continued support. Aside from my family, they are my inspiration. I want to share the company's profile. I supervise and operated this business. The expertise in the field of car rental industry with its vision of giving the clients the best in everything that we do. No task is too small that it does not deserve our best effort. Our success depends on the performance and it will be measured according to only one standard, excellence. Orient Pearl hopes to achieve better service to its customers. Our guiding principles. To our clients, we are dedicated to understanding and fulfilling our clients' needs, and will work to find innovative ways to meet them. We will be known for consistent quality in service and in our products. We will work towards building lasting relationships with our clients. We will not compromise our clients' safety and satisfaction over profitability. We will strive to be one step ahead of our clients. We must anticipate their future and will be able to deliver when the need arises. Oh yes, and we will develop their capabilities to the fullest. We will endeavor to create an environment of growth, openness, equality, fairness, and stability. Our clients are our stronger partners and we will treat them with honesty and respect. We are responsible for everything that we do. For our success, as well as our failures, we have responsibility to our employees, clients, and our company. We will always be innovative, set challenging goals for ourselves, and learn from our mistakes. We are committed to total quality and service. We will continuously work to exceed customer satisfaction and expectations. Thank you.